Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BizTools. Welcome to this overview of Accountant's Minute, edition 376. This week, our title is Advisory Services Shaping Your Vision of Accountancy. What is your vision, especially if you are in public practice, offering a service for SME clients? How do you see the services that are being provided? In this edition, I have made a summary of my experience as the Chief Financial Officer and Company Secretary of a listed public company. We grouped our company into a series of small businesses under the control of an area manager, and the area manager had an area accountant, and they had clerical staff, and they administered businesses operating within their area. There was a manual prepared in the head office by my team, which outlined the company's policy on various issues and the accounting treatment of a range of activities. The system was built around a daily report which highlighted turnover, average sale, yield percentages. We were in the meat industry, so yield percentages were very important to us. They were one of the most important key performance indicators, which all of your clients have, incidentally, in whatever their business is. On a weekly basis, it was very important that every business operation had a profitability and performance report prepared. Now, we were expected to get these weekly estimates about 98% accurate. Sometimes we got them 101 or 102%, which meant we had a little bit up our sleeves. And at the end of the month, the CEO was really only asking me one question: did the weeklies reconcile with the monthly accounts? And if they did, he was happy, because the business was run on the weekly reports. This was very typical of a whole range of entities in the meat industry. And I've since found out it's how major retailers operate their businesses: weekly reports, weekly profitability estimates. How does your clients compete with other businesses if they don't know their results as they occur? It's no use getting them results at the end of a financial year or even at the end of a 3-month period. Our philosophy is that to help your clients overcome the problems of fiscal management, that you need to be encouraging them to implement a 52-week of the year business enhancement system, which is based around the daily, weekly, monthly concept, and then it's repeated again in the following month and so on. And some of the key information that flows from this process is things like key performance indicators and business metrics, because they're important. And it highlights the need to continually review the fiscal management components of the business. Now, most of you will find that your clients are not interested or have the time or the inclination to understand the intricacies of fiscal management. That's a service you should be providing to your clients, so that at least on a monthly basis, you are going to sit down and reconcile the results and analyze the debtors' days outstanding, analyze creditors' days outstanding, especially for their critical credits, their key suppliers that have indicated they demand payment on 14 days or 21 days or strictly on a 4-week basis. And some of them, of course, might be cash on delivery. Has all this been factored into the cash flow forecast? On the 16th of February, there were some articles written in the Financial Review by the CEO of MYOB, Paul Robson, who indicated that MYOB's observations were that many people started off with a great idea when they went into business, but after 6 months, they hit a roadblock. And that roadblock was that they either had run out of money or they had real problems emerging because they did not appreciate the need for them to know fiscal management or for them to engage an accountant who could advise them on fiscal management for their business. ESS BizTools can supply you the resources that we have developed to assist you to be able to perform this fiscal management role for your clients. Why don't you visit our website, www.essbiztools.com.au, to have a look at the packages which we have available. We have 35 packages in the ESS BizTools system, and they are allocated over 4 package ranges. We have the advisory intro package, which is the beginning of the process. Then we have the starter package, advanced package, and the financial forecasting package. Now, as you go up the steps, everything that was in the previous products range step is also included in the next one, of course, so it builds up so that you have got a great range of services to help you guide your clients through this process. I believe there is too many businesses failing in Australia because they have not received the right advice. Now, some of that, of course, is the fault of the SMEs. They didn't seek the advice. But there are plenty of people out there who are receptive to advice. I think it's an obligation for accountants to be able to make sure that they get that advice so that they can survive in their businesses. And incidentally, there's a great spin-off for accounting firms also, because this will give your team interesting and challenging work. And this will assist in overcoming the talent attraction and retention problems that accountants all over Australia tell me that you have all got. If you want to talk to me, please give me a phone call, 0747241118, or send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au, and I will get back to you with my suggestions on overcoming whatever problems or issues you envisage in the implementation of this type of system for your clients and your prospects. Stay safe. Have a great day. Goodbye.